Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you authentic ways to make money online in 2024 without the need for expensive equipment or courses sold by complex agencies. If all you have is a phone or a laptop, you're ready to get started. Method 1. Develop your own content. The most lucrative long-term method is to create your own content. By developing your personal brand, you can attract a large audience and increase your income. Look at what creators in your niche are doing. Get inspired by their titles and thumbnails, and add your own touch. For detailed advice on growing your YouTube channel. Method 2. Create a themed page on Instagram. The viral content repost method. The fastest way to grow on social networks is to repost viral content. It's simple. Find popular videos on TikTok or Reels on Instagram. Upload them and share them on your own account, mentioning the original creators to avoid copyright issues. This exposes them to a wider audience, while helping you grow your audience. Method 3. Use AI to become a website creator. With AI, you can create high-quality websites in just a few minutes. Website developers can earn between $80,000 and $150,000 a year creating aesthetically pleasing and functional websites for businesses and individuals. It's a valuable skill to acquire in today's digital economy. That's it. You now have the basics to start your journey to online success in 2024. Remember, the key is consistency and commitment to your goal.